Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Alicia. Welcome to my channel AJ Crochet. This is the part 2 of the Crochet for Beginners series. In this video, I will show you how to do a single crochet. Let's start. We have to start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, loop it around by 2 fingers. Pull this yarn in the front. Pull the yarn under a loop. Pull the tail to make slip knot. Perfect. Now pull this yarn to make our loop smaller. Now it's done. Insert the hook. Grab the yarn properly. And then make a chain. To make chain, go left, go under and pull up a yarn. This is the first chain. Now this is the second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
while rivers whisper truth as they flow down.
11, 12,
And their songs entwine
13,
with the trees that stand.
14 and 15. I am making a 15 chain. If you want more, then you can make a more chain.
On the forest floor,
Now we have to do a single crochet in this chain. Look at this chain is look like a V.
yet brimming with sound in the arms of solitude.
Now we have to do a single crochet to skip first chain and start from the second chain. Insert the hook from a single loop, top loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook from the top strand, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops.
The wind hums
Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops.
whispering pines, secrets untold.
Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops.
Moonlight spills through the velvet dark.
Now we complete the first
Patterns,
round. Insert the hook, yarn over
roots stretch deep.
and pull
The earth's
through
gentle sigh,
2 loops.
a lullaby
Now we complete
sung
this
to the open
round.
sky. Oh,
Look at this.
whispering pine,
This is the perfect
sing
single crochet.
me your tune.
Now we are going for the second round. For the second round we have to make chain 1 and clip our voice like this. Now we have to work on the 2 loops. Skip the chain 1 and start from the second 2 loops. Look at this, there is a 2 loops, 1 and 2. Yes. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops.
Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with
Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops.
solitude.
Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops.
The stars and the moon teach me the language
Insert
of
the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops.
stories that live
Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is the last chain. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now this is complete. Now our single crochet is complete. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.